Hello, this is Adam with X-Laser. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics of using multiple builders with your Mercury system. So obviously this stuff works for any DMX control system you're able to use. MA, Jans Vista, Hog, ETC, whatever. For the purposes of this, we're using the Avolites Titan software, which we absolutely love. First thing you have to make sure that you do is on the back of the laser, go ahead and select 2x builder mode or 3x builder mode or 4x builder mode, whichever you prefer. You can use between 1 and 4 either basic or advanced builders. In today's video, we're going to be using 2 advanced builders. So the first thing I'm going to do is patch the fixtures. Pay attention to this because it's not like the way you would normally patch fixtures. I'm going to go ahead and go to X-Laser, Mercury. I'm going to patch one master, which I probably should have labeled master. Fix that real quick. So now inside of Mercury, I'm going to patch 2 advanced builders. You'll see that they're on addresses 7 because it's after the 6 first control channels, and then 92 because it's after the 85 channels of the first builder. Okay, so now that I'm out of that, I can go ahead and set up my master as I normally would. So with our master set up, we can go ahead and use each of the advanced builders as though we were just using a single builder. So I'll go ahead and locate builder 1. I'll pull up our attribute editor here. So inside of here, I'll just go ahead and pick a gobo. There we go. So I'll go ahead and jump into GeoPre, and I'll scale this down a bit, just to give us a little more room. In GeoPost, I'll come in here in position, and I'll just get it the hell out of the way. GeoPre, I'll give it a little bit of a spin move so we have something more interesting. So now I can come into the second builder. And in the second builder, I can go ahead and locate that fixture. And I can treat it just like I treated the first builder. So I'll go ahead and change my page. And I'll go ahead and give that one a spin too. And in GeoPost, I can go ahead and move it around as well. Now I've got 2 completely separate effects that can have whole separate banks. I can do separate wave oscillators. I can do separate rotation, position. I can do separate everything. And just layer them on top of each other or beside each other out of the same laser fixture. You can do this with up to 4 different builders. I hope that gives you a good overview of what you can do using multiple builders on a Mercury fixture. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments or shoot us an email to support@x-laser.com. And as always, stay tuned for more interesting and exciting stuff.